so excited to be here today at a Beth Israel Lahey medical building in Cambridge, Massachusetts with our partner Energy Source, who's the ESCO on this project. This customer had older generation EV charging equipment that was causing them a lot of issues. So that charging equipment had issues where it wasn't communicating properly with the cloud, it had issues where the charge rate wasn't fast enough. So we came in with Energy Source, and the breezEV solution that you can see behind me here, the two pedestals, have really solved all of these problems. So installation was really simple to take out that old equipment, replace it with our new equipment. Uptime is no longer going to be an issue with these breezEV chargers, and the rate of charge is going to be much faster because of the power sharing that they're using with the AmpUp software.
How you doing? My name is John Morich. I'm with Energy Source. I'm the VP of Electrical Installations. Today we worked with breezEV on an EV project here at Paradigm Properties. We are replacing an older system where you could only charge your car at a rate of 16 amps per port. With the new breezEV system, we're able to use the power share option where you can pull in one car and charge at the full 32 amps. When a second car pulls up, it adapts and lowers the amperage. Replacing the old EV box system with the new breezEV system was effortless. We cut out the old system and we were able to use the existing pads, install new anchors, and slide the new breezEV system right on top.